Hello, this is the Epic Roblox and Lagonian Warlord. Okay, I'm going to show you how to build a spike sword on, what's it called? Build a sword fight. Build a hideout and sword fight. Okay. Pretty simple, you build 9 blocks like this. Take out your normal sword which you spawn with, delete it on. Where's it gone? Like that. Okay. Then you build a block around the block that the sword landed on, like that. And then you delete the rest, like this. Then build upwards. Then go to deadly machines, spikes. Put it on like this. Delete the rest. And here you have it. It's one hit KO sword now with super long range. You can drop it, do anything you want. If you'll always re-equip, unless that happens. Well, at least now you know how to build a spike sword on build a hideout and fight. Wow, I've built so many. People always kill you for it. The secret entrance. Over here. Okay, so this is how you build a spike sword on Roblox Build a hideout and fight. But try not to kill yourself, though. That's what often happens with me. Oh, this is so annoying. I'll just take the pad. One. And go down. Oops, missed it. Okay. Entrance. This is how you build a spike sword and build a hideout and fight. Okay. So one hit KO now. Ha ha ha. Wonderful. I see it in action. Okay. Oh no, didn't work. Damn. Well, you know it kills people in one hit, but don't click the number of the sword or else this happens. Or at least don't click a different gear. Okay? At least now you know how to play it. How to build a spike sword.